ASUS ZenFone 10 is the best small phone for fans of compact handsets, but the ASUS ZenFone 10 could pull users away from Samsung and Google flagships with top quality performance and battery life. If you can forgive its more limited photography options and the shorter than average software support window, the ZenFone 10 is a top choice. The ZenFone 10 uses a small but well-appointed 5.9-inch AMOLED panel with a full HD resolution and a refresh rate that can reach 144 Hz. This max value only works in certain games too, so most of the time you will see a 120 Hz peak. That's still plenty smooth enough for scrolling around your apps, matching what Samsung offers with its S23 flagships and beating the 90 Hz peak of the Pixel 7. Sadly, when it comes to brightness and colors, the ZenFone falls down a bit compared to its rivals. While the Galaxy S23 and Pixel 7 do have a large screen advantage, it's a shame to see the ZenFone 10's color accuracy and peak brightness were noticeably worse than its main competitors. At least the ASUS phone offers decent color gamut coverage. Here we find one of the less impressive parts of the ZenFone 10's overall kit. That's not to downplay the quality of the components. There's a 50 megapixel main camera and a new 30 megapixel ultra wide camera and another new 32 megapixel on the front for selfies. But you get a telephoto camera on the Galaxy S23, and Google offers some of the best photo processing technology on any phone with the Pixel 7. The ZenFone's value isn't to be found in its photo kit. Here are some photo samples, you can check it out. It's unclear how big the demand in these days for sub 6-inch phones, but I am more certain of the fact that ZenFone 10 has pretty effectively cornered it. It's hard to find anything comparable for a phone this size. The next smallest Android phone we'd recommended would be the 6.1-inch Google Pixel 7a or basic Samsung Galaxy S23 or perhaps the Galaxy Z Flip 4, since that foldable device can close up small when needed. But while these phones at least match the ZenFone in most areas, they are either more expensive, not as powerful, or not as power efficient. Unless you prioritize photo quality more than compactness, the ZenFone comes out on top against all of these devices. If you don't mind iPhones or older handsets, Apple still sells the iPhone 13 mini and even dinkier 5.4-inch handset, which should still beat the ZenFone on power, photo quality, and software updates. Through it will be 2 years old as of this fall. I know it can be hard to switch smartphone OSs too, so if Android's the software for you, small phones are your preferences, that's little else would suit you better than the ZenFone 10.